Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. Today I want to show you how to do a sheet pan low country boil, or if you want to call it a shrimp boil, but we're doing it on a sheet pan. Now it's going to be simple and easy. I've got my oven preheating to 400 degrees. I have a pound of yellow and little red baby new potatoes. It's got a little bit of corn on it. And I boiled them, just parboiled them like 8 minutes. Then I had 3 ears of corn and I cut into pieces. And about the last 3 minutes, I threw in the corn and just let them cook for about 3 minutes. And, but you know what? I bet if you wanted and you can't get some good fresh corn, use frozen corn. I would thaw it, but I wouldn't par-cook it. Okay, so we've got those. Now I'm going to set those aside right here. And I'm going to cut up a red onion. I'm just going to quarter it. Oh, here's my knife. I'm just going to quarter it. And we're going to put it in here with this corn and potatoes. Yeah, this is just going to be so easy. And, you know, some of these things you can have done up the night before. I've told y'all so many times on these dishes, do what you can ahead and put it in the refrigerator. You can have your vegetables prepped and ready when you get home. Take it out of the fridge, heat your oven up, and you're ready to go. You're getting a meal on the table for your family. Let me throw these away. So I have some smoked brats. You can use smoked sausage. You can use kielbasa, andouille, whatever your favorite is. And you just use it. Now I'm going to, this is 6 lengths. And I'm going to go ahead and cut them all up. But I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut each length in thirds. We might need a bigger bowl, y'all. Let's cut them on the diagonal. They'll look a little prettier. Give me a second. Let me get a bigger bowl because this one's not going to be big enough. Okay, y'all. I got a bigger bowl and we got it transferred over. And I'm going to get this sausage cut up and put right in there. Like I said, I'm using 6 lengths. Let's move this. I'm done with it now. I have a pound of shrimp, and I'm going to add it in here. Now, these have been peeled and deveined. I took the tails off. And y'all, if y'all have seen Brandon's video we did where he cooked the shrimp that had the heads on, tails on, we peeled them and made a stock. I'll link that video below for you. They weren't here at the time I bought this, so I got frozen, and that's okay. But I sure wished I'd had some of that fresh Gulf shrimp like he had. Okay, so what we're going to do next, okay, I want you to see this. I have got a 1/4 stick of melted butter. You know, and yes, I made a mess with the Old Bay. And I am going to use a tablespoon. That wasn't quite a tablespoon. That'd be close enough. Of Old Bay. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of fresh chopped parsley and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And y'all know how I do my garlic. I've told you a bunch of times. I just took it out of the freezer and let it defrost. Okay, now I am going to put a little bit of salt in with this. And I'm only going to use half a tablespoon. Let's go ahead and use a tablespoon. We got a lot of food here we've got to season. And if you salt your potatoes and your corn when you boil it, allow for that. I put just the tiniest pinch because I knew I wanted to put some in here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put this on here. And we're going to try to get this mixed up. Yeah, wish me luck because I'm going in. Okay, so I have a prepared sheet pan. I sprayed it with a little bit of nonstick spray. Yeah, I told you I had a pound of potatoes. It's a pound and a half. So we won't be able to eat all of this. This will make 2 meals for us. Let's spread it all out on this sheet pan. We'll toss it around some more. Get it evenly distributed. We want to get all of that good stuff out of there. Okay. And let's toss this all around. Oh, Pop had to run out for a little bit, but he texted me just a minute ago and said he's on his way home. So he's going to be happy when he gets in and sees that he's got a nice hot meal waiting on him. Now we're going to put this in the oven. My oven is preheated, and I'm going to bake it around 15 minutes or so. Y'all know my oven's a little bit slower, so you may only need to go 15. And we'll see how long I have to go. But give me a minute for you. I have to wait and smell it. And I'll be back, and we'll check this out, okay? Pop got home. And our low country boil sheet pan is ready. Doesn't that look nice? How about that?
Oh, yeah.
Does that look good?
You're going to fill us up today.
Yes, I am.
That looks delicious.
Doesn't it, though?
Smells good.
It was so easy. And you're not standing over the stove, layering. We're just putting a little bit of parsley to make it look pretty.
Sheet pan dinners have been good.
Yes, everything is just done.
That's
the only thing that we had to cook ahead of time is I parboiled the potatoes and the corn.
Yeah.
And that was it. So let's get you some potatoes and some shrimp. And there's going to be plenty to come back 4 seconds. And I wished I'd had some of that fresh Gulf shrimp like Brandon had when he did the shrimp and sausage Creole, but we couldn't get any. So
this is good.
Yes.
We always enjoy it.
There you go. Now, like I said, we can come back and get some more. But this will make a couple of meals for us, y'all.
Oh, yeah.
We won't eat. Anytime I make it, even the traditional way, we don't eat it all. Do you want some onion? I didn't give you any of this onion.
I'm good.
Good? Okay.
Yeah, I'm good.
All right. Looky there. Isn't that pretty? Let's try it. You ready?
I'm ready.
What do you want to try first? I'm going to try shrimp.
Me too.
We love shrimp, and they're so easy to cook. Now, when you cook them in the oven, they do take a few minutes longer than when you boil them on the stove, but they're so worth it.
Oh, good, tasty, tender.
And it's not overcooked.
Not at all. That's great.
And I gave you a wedge of lemon if you want to squeeze some of that over. Now, it took about 18 minutes in my oven. Now, it may not only take the 15 in yours. I'm going to try the sausage next. That is some more good. Where we normally use the Eckrich skinless smoked sausage, this time I had the Johnsonville
They're good.
Smoked brats. And I think they're very good. We could just stand here. Excuse me.
Throwing her fork. It's that good, isn't it?
It's that good. That's an ode to Christy where she twirls, I dropped. We could just stand here and keep eating, y'all, but we will go sit down at the table and finish our meal together. But I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you enjoy this video. It's not very long, but that doesn't matter. And as I told you before, you can have all your ingredients prepared ahead of time in the refrigerator. And when you come in from school or work, have your potatoes parboiled and your corn. And use frozen corn cobs. And you don't have to parboil that. But have them all ready when you come in from work. Preheat your oven while you're gathering all your ingredients together. Stick it in there. I wouldn't cook the shrimp ahead of time. They'll get overdone. Isn't that beautiful?
Beautiful and tasty.
But we appreciate each and every one of you. And we hope you like this video. We hope you're going to come back and visit with us again really soon. Yeah, don't forget, we have 2 cookbooks, Volume 1 and Volume 2, and they're available at our printer. All you have to do is go to KarenJonesFoodandFamily.com and click on the books, and it'll take you straight to the printer. They take your order and they ship. And it's a really quick turnaround. So, but we appreciate you all, and we'd love having you in our kitchen and hope you're going to come back. Thanks again, everybody. We'll see you soon.